ride. You just stand down ride. Great. Run! What the hell did you take? I have no idea, but they were bowing to it. Kirk to Shuttle 1. Locals are out of the kill zone. You're clear. Repeat. Spock, get in there. Neutralize the volcano. Let's get out of here.
We have to do this now. I told the captain the shuttle wasn't built for this kind of heat.
Captain, did the indigenous life form see you?
No, Mr. Spock, they did not.
The Prime Directive clearly states there can be no interference with the internal development of alien civilization.
I know what it says, which is why I'm running through the jungle wearing a disguise. Now drop off your super ice cube and let's go. Cook out.
You're good.
We're gonna do this. We gotta do it now. Ash is killing our coils.
You sure you don't want me to go instead?
That would be highly illogical, as I am already outfitted in heat resistant.
I was kidding. You got this.
Guys, we have to go now. They're trying to kill us! They're trying to kill us, Jim!
I'll see you in 90 seconds.
Do it. Spock, I gotta pull you back up.
Negative. This is our only chance to save this species. If this volcano erupts, the planet dies.
Pull him back up. Now!
Spock, are you okay?
Surprisingly, alive. Stand by.
We have to get him back. I'll suit up. I'm gonna go down.
We have to abandon the shuttle.
We can't just leave him, Sulu.
We don't have a choice. Uhura, I'm sorry.
Spock, we're going back to the Enterprise. We'll get you out of there.
Captain, I'm ditching the shuttle. You gotta make it to the Enterprise on your own.
Wonderful.
Uhura, you ready to swim?
I'm ready.
Jim, the beach is that way. No, we're not going to the beach. No, no, no.